Are you a business struggling with fragmented systems, inefficient inventory management, or complex multi-currency transactions? It's time to streamline your operations and unlock your full potential. Introducing NCS Billing Book, the all-in-one business management software designed to revolutionize how you manage sales, inventory, and finances. Our advanced POS system ensures seamless transactions, boosting your retail efficiency and enhancing customer experience. Say goodbye to stockouts and manual tracking with our multi-warehouse inventory management. Handle unlimited warehouses and track stock across multiple locations in real time. From purchase requisitions to batch tracking, NCS Billing Book provides comprehensive control over your entire inventory lifecycle. Operating internationally or in diverse markets, our multi-currency support handles over 100 currencies, making global business effortless. Gain invaluable insights with robust reporting tools. Analyze sales, track financial performance, and monitor operational metrics with ease. Whether it's a profit and loss statement or a detailed sales report, our software provides the data you need to make informed decisions. NCS Billing Book integrates seamlessly, streamlining workflows and reducing errors across your entire organization. Experience unparalleled efficiency, accuracy, and growth. NCS Billing Book is the complete solution your business deserves. Ready to revolutionize your business? Visit nancygay.com today to learn more and get started.